Hola clase. Today we're going to be talking about the gender and number of nouns. Gender meaning masculine or feminine, and number meaning singular or plural. All this information can also be found in your Avance textbook, the Blue Book, on pages 6 and 7. Comencemos. In Spanish, los sustantivos, or nouns, are classified into two groups: masculine or feminine. Masculine nouns will be used with the articles el, los, un, and unos, and feminine nouns will be used with la, las, una, and unas. There are two primary clues, or claves, that can help you determine if the noun is masculine or feminine. Do you know these clues? If not, don't worry. We will review them right now. Primera clave. The first clue is the biological sex of the noun, meaning, if the noun we're talking about refers to a male, it is masculine, and if it refers to a female, it is feminine. For example, the words father and bull are both referring to males. Therefore, they will be masculine, using articles el or un. The words mother and cow both refer to females. Therefore, they are feminine, and we'll use articles la, una. If you have a word that can be either feminine or masculine, the article used with the word will identify if you are referring to a male or a female. Por ejemplo, the word artist could refer to either a female or a male artist. If you're referring to the male artist, you will use el. If it's a female artist, you will use la. Another example is the word estudiante, student. You can have a male or a female student. So to identify whether you're talking about a male or female student, you will use the article el or la. Sometimes the word will have a different form for masculine and feminine. For example, the word Spaniards and professor. Sometimes the word will have a different form for masculine and feminine. For example, the words Spaniard and professor. If you're talking about a male Spaniard, you will use el español. If it's a female Spaniard, la española. If you're talking about a male professor, you will use el profesor. If it's a female professor, use la profesora. The following words are exceptions, and the article is fixed, meaning it won't change whether you're talking about a male or a female. The word ángel will always use the article el, no matter if you're talking about el ángel María or el ángel Juan. Same thing happens with el individuo, la persona, la víctima. It doesn't matter whether you're referring to a male or a female, the article will always be the same. La segunda clave, the second clue, is the ending of the word. Most words that end in loners are masculine. For example, if the word ends in L, O, N, E, R, S, loners, the word would be masculine. Notice that all these words are masculine, therefore they will use the articles el to refer to the noun. The following four words are exception to the rule. Notice have the word personas ends in S, imagen in N, mano in O, parte on E. And all the articles, like you can see here, are feminine. Most nouns that end in A, D, IE, ION, IS, UMBRE, Z are feminine. Notice how all the words are feminine and use the feminine article la. The following 4 words are the exception to the rule. Even though they end in ion and in a, they are going to use the article el. Again, they do not follow the rule. The last group of exceptions are words ending in ma, pa, and ta. Notice how all these words should be feminine because they end in a, but they're not. All these articles are masculine. El, el, el. Okay? So, most words that end in ma, pa, and ta will be masculine. Now please go to tonight's homework and complete section A. Then, once that section A is completed, continue to watch the next video, the plural of nouns.